Hi, this is Tina Gifford. We're live with knowledge drops on life insurance. Why life insurance is for now and later, not just for when you die. It's not just a morbid thing. It's not something that only your family or loved ones get to enjoy. But if done properly, it is something that you too can utilize while alive. So this is an example of a policy that is $100,000 for a woman that is age 62, not 30, not 40, in fairly good health. And taking a good look at this, if this woman was to pay $215 monthly, her family, if she died tomorrow, will get $100,000. At age 71, she'd have $15,000 available for cash value to pull out that is not from the policy's 100,000, but from the gain of the time that the money has been sitting and earning potential. At 76, it's 26,000, 81, 37,000, 86, 44,000. So you see that there is an option to take cash out in this policy as it grows. Now, this is one of the great living benefits, ABRs, accelerated death benefits. This person becomes age 67, they've had the policy for some time, and their terminal illness benefit clicks in, their chronic illness benefit clicks in, their critical illness kicks in, and their critical injury clicks in. Wow. If they become terminally ill, meaning they're going to die within 2 years, $79,000 is released to them. If they become chronically ill, meaning that they cannot do 2 of the 6 main things, bathing, toileting, transferring, we know what some of those things are, they will get a monthly premium of $12.90 per month. If they become critically ill, and we'll go over what some of this critical injury is. Critically ill could be cancer, it could be Lou Gehrig's disease. $70,000 lump sum will be released to them so that they can take care of their now living life going through what they're going through. The income tax-free death benefit, yes, there's no taxes paid on this death benefit that is released to them in a lump sum, is deferred and it builds cash value. Also, you can see as it begins to build what you receive for each living benefit, terminally ill, chronically ill, critically ill. Very, very good benefits here. So remember, this is while the person is alive, right? So we look here and we see if they live too long, there's a cash value available. If something happens while they're alive, there's all of these accelerated living benefits for them to access, right? There's also other riders that they can add to the policy for additional fees, but these riders are included: terminal, chronic, critical, and critical injury in this particular policy. Lastly, we're just going to take a quick look at what the definitions are, of what is terminally ill, what is chronically ill. These are things that we want to know so that we're not having a misconception of what they really mean. So there's definitions in every policy, and your agent should be going over these things with you, right? So terminal illness, it shows you 24 months or less to live. They're going to release, up to 90% to you. Then you go down to chronically ill, 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, or is cognitively impaired, meaning that your brain and different things are not moving, functioning properly. If the doctor diagnoses it, the death benefit is released. Then there's critical illness, and there you have your lateral sclerosis, major organ transplants, cardiac arrest. These things are normal things. Look, cystic fibrosis, cancer, goes on. Lastly, there's critical injury. So if there's severe burns, traumatic brain injury, your money is released while you are alive. It doesn't wait until you die, but you actually get to utilize it while you are alive. So not only if this person dies tomorrow, do they get $100,000? They have all of these living benefits. So I strongly impress upon you to reach out to your current life agent. If you don't have one, we can be reached at 888-485-1520 for free quotes. We can take a free look at the policy that you have already and assure that you understand how it works, because you may already have some of these things. I'm Tenna Gifford. I'm a licensed agent for 18 years now, and I'd love to help you understand the parts of a policy that are for the living and not for the dead.